This channel shorts is so expensive, and they shorts a million views. Anyone see his shorts and they shorts beautiful thumbnail is eye-catching thumbnail. So, today we'll talk about how to create these videos. So, let's get started. So, first go to Google and search Pinterest. After you search, you see many clickable links like Pinterest, login, and also click the first link. You see up many options like home, create, and also click the search button and search beautiful nature. Second, go to new tab and search youtube.com. After you search again to search bar beautiful nature shorts and click any expensive shorts and copy this shorts title and go to again Pinterest and find many expensive pins. What if you find a best quality pins? So copy this link and go to new tab and search Pinterest video downloader. After you search, you see many links, but you just click the first link. After clicking, paste the video link and click the download button. After download, scroll down and click the again download button and download this video. What if you download this video? You see down type here to search, so click them and search Capcut and click the first link. So this I am don't talk you should see and edit this.
Thanks for watching, guys.